So let's say you're having a hard time writing an email. So DeepSeek can help you with that as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, write an email with this content right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say, for example, certain content. Like, let's say, for example, I want to apply for your college for the bachelor's degree in graphics design. I have a background in high school and have good knowledge on computers and have drawing skill, just like this. So I can simply give this prompt, like write an email with this content, and then simply hit the send button. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it'll analyze out that content and then will generate out an email accordingly. So here you can see that it says application for bachelor's degree in graphic design. I hope this email finds you well. My name is Das and I'm writing to express my interest in applying for bachelor's degree program in graphic design at the college name. And you can see that it generated out this email, and you can simply utilize this to send out emails right here. So now you can simply go ahead and copy out the content and go to your email client, let's say for example, and simply paste it out right here just like this, and then change around the content as you like and send the email. So that is how it can be easy to send out emails as well and generate emails using DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.